IndiEV was founded in downtown Los Angeles in 2017 on the idea that the future of personal transit will no longer be measured by horsepower or range, but rather processing power and connectivity. As electric vehicles advance into the future, both drivers and passengers demand more out of the user experience inside their car. Electric vehicles of the future must provide passengers with more opportunity than ever before, whether it be entertainment, creativity, options to work on the go, or integrations with Web 3.0 and blockchain technologies. However, computing power in our personal vehicles has lagged behind and left users disconnected from the world around them. This core concept led us to the development of the INDI One. At INDI, we wanted to bridge the technology gap in terms of what's available to you in your home and at your office with the mobility and convenience of your personal vehicle. This was the spark from which the INDI One was born. To integrate this idea, we developed the Vehicle Integrated Computer, or as we like to call it, VIC. Through the VIC, users have access to incredible processing power and connectivity, no matter where they may be. With seamlessly connected 5G service and an array of digital hardware, the INDI One is your digital toolbox, and you can take that toolbox wherever life takes you. Connectivity is more important in our lives now than it ever has been before. The INDI One gives you the in-car experience you need to keep up with an ever-changing world and was designed to give users an unparalleled experience in comfort, control, and connectivity. One of the most exciting aspects of the INDI One is the gamification of mobility. Now, for the first time ever, experience and play AAA games at the touch of a fingertip with our supercomputer-powered VIC. Our in-house VR gaming experience is truly an industry first, providing users not only in-car gaming options, but also the future of car-to-car gaming. Our INDI family firmly believes that in the future, vehicles will no longer be simply a mode of transport from A to B, but an integral piece of our lifestyles.